train station today to check out the new moats that have just gone up. This here roof covers the new enclosed moats. So let's go check them out. They are going to be fully enclosed. As a matter of fact, I think I have to go to the other side of the street to reach it. I thought I could reach it somewhere in here, but I guess I'm wrong. So let's take a trek over to the other side of the street. All the people. This is always a very busy area. Okay, so just across the street here is where we can enter the path system and go underground to the train station. In the past, you would come out of the train station right there, Union Station, and you'd have to walk across to get to the TTC Union Station. So you would have maybe a 5-10 second walk outside in the cold. But now that this is covered, it's going to be heated in the winter and air conditioned in the summer. So you have indoor comfort. And it's going to be lined with stores and restaurants along this side here. So this is the West Moat, and then they're also building another one on the east side, which is also going to be lined with stores and restaurants. So this is a new public area, I guess you'd say. Right there is Union Station. And just up here is the TTC subway station. Check this out, all brand new. This train station is costing $800 million plus to redo. The bottom floor is going to be a completely brand new level for shopping and restaurants. They've already opened a food court. So there's a whole lot of changes that have already happened and a whole lot more to come. This area here is completely new. All this area here was not open to the public. This dark area here. And once you come out here into the light areas where the moat is, that area there was open to the public, where you could cross to get in. So here we are, and let's take a walk down, go inside the train station. So now we're in the East Moat. As you can see, the roof is finished, but construction is still ongoing. Now we're into the train station, Union Station. So let's head over to the other side and come out. As you can see, this here is Union subway station. And this connects to all the downtown towers in the path system. You can literally get to anywhere. And now back out to the train station here. Let's take another look. It's going to be enclosed with restaurants. Nice new public area. So when you get inside the train station, their first level down is where the Via Rail trains are. And then if you go the next level down, there is the food court. And then I believe below that will be the new shopping center. So now we're on the east side, Bay Street. We started off at York Street on the west side of Union Station.
Slaves. Slaves are going home.
Seems like it.
Canada.
They're all working hard,
Like cattle.
making money.
We're working hard for who?
The corporation, the Royal Bank.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You see that here?
No thanks.
Let me know that you know to have a look. I'm just want you
No,
to read
okay.
this.
Thanks.
See
Have a
this
good day.
Royal Bank? They invest in assault rifles.
I know. Okay, this is a top look at the moat. This is the east moat. It's almost done. I'm sure by fall or winter this will be completely climatized, finished renovation, nice and warm and comfortable, lined with stores, restaurants, and all kinds of things that the public can use.